Got my backpack on, got some bread in the bag. I'm going out and shooting some ducks. Check it out. Alright, I am not going to go shoot ducks. I'm gonna go take pictures of ducks. We got a family of ducks down the street about 1.5 miles. I'm walking it. They're always on the side of the road. They're like beggars, I guess. And I've been wanting to film them for the longest time, take some pictures. They even got babies. So we're gonna check it out and see what's up. I need a walk because I'm getting a little weight. I need to lose some pounds. So let's go check out these little pretty little ducks. Quack quacks. All right. Seen that little hot rod in a place called Frost Stop? That's a little gold mine down here in a little suburb we call Metairie. If you ever come down here in New Orleans, I think you ought to check it out. Come on. Really good burgers, really good shakes, all kinds of good stuff. Whew, it's hot out here. One thing about New Orleans, man, it's hot all the time. Well, not all the time, but it's hot right now. All right? So I found the ducks. And they're being very, very uncooperative right now. I guess it's because it's hot out here. It's almost like 95. Probably with a heat index of 102. They're like, look, man, we ain't coming out here and entertain you humans. It's too damn hot. I got some bread, and they're just looking at it like, nah, it's too hot for this crap. So I'm gonna get some footage. Sorry. They usually hang out on this, right around here, this little neutral ground area. And they just beg for food all the time, so I don't know what the deal is going on here. So I'm gonna see if I get some footage of them just goofing around. All right. So that's it. I thought it was gonna be some kind of epic film today because they're usually out here begging for food and you can throw with them, they play with you. They don't like me, but I did get some pretty cool pictures. If you want to check them out, hit my Instagram and look at it. That's all I could do. I have failed. You win some and you lose some. Oh well, if you like this video, hit the like button, smash that bell, and see y'all later. I'm gonna go home and get some water, and it's too damn hot out here. Oh well, later.